This is Alicia with the Desert Winds, and continuing on our how to crochet videos, I'm going to teach you how to do a single crochet. Now, for a single crochet, you have to have at least a baseline to start on. You're either going to be building single crochets on rows of crochets, or at least on a row of chains. So here I already have my row of chains started. I've got my basic hook. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hook, put it through the loop that I want to put the single crochet on, twist the yarn around, pull that through the hole, then take another section around the hook and pull that through. Let me show again. I put my hook through the little hole, put some yarn around it, pull that through the hole, get some more yarn, and pull that through the two. And that is a single crochet. This goes very fast and quickly as soon as you get used to it. And there are your single crochets, which can then be built on to do more rows of single crochets. By just turning the work over, put your hook through the hole, grab some yarn, pull it through, more yarn, pull it through. And there you go.